I say, welcome to my crib. Welcome to the lair. Oh, where did she go? She left. I'm sorry. She already acting up. This is day one. We need to stop. This is day one. Welcome to my luxury apartment. Alright guys, so this is the entryway to my apartment. Now it does come with like the fob keys where you just kind of click it and it opens up automatically, which is nice. And then over here we have this full fridge with a freezer and obviously the fridge here. Now I want to say we are the first to be in this apartment, which is amazing. All the appliances are new, everything's brand new just for us, which is amazing. Now I'm obsessed with the kitchen, guys, of this apartment. Look how beautiful this kitchen is. Of course, we chose the apartment with the white cabinetry. I just love white. White just looks very luxury to me. So we had an option between gray or white, and of course, like I said, we chose white. Guys, look at all of this cabinetry that we have. We don't even have enough food yet to fit in all of this cabinetry, but we will eventually. And then of course we have over here, first of all these appliances are Samsung, so you know Samsung is top tier. So we have our, what is this, an oven top, over top microwave, something of that sort, I don't know. So we have that, and then we have a stove, guys. I know my boyfriend is gonna love this because in his old, I wish, condo, he didn't have a stove, can you believe that? But now we got a stove, so yeah, so we have a stove, again, all brand new appliances. And as you come here, guys, I'm obsessed with this sink. I'm obsessed with the matte black color to this as well. I think that's a very, very great aesthetic. It's a big, deep sink. We love that. And then I am obsessed with the marble backsplash. This marble backsplash is honestly amazing. And then we have this kind of like matte gray countertop as well. Again, as you can see, more cabinetry, guys, cabinetry on top of cabinetry. All right, and then come over here. This is our island. Our island is huge. And then, what do you know? More cabinetry, all right? So this is our island. We are definitely gonna get some bar stools, probably just two, because it's just us two. So we're probably just gonna get 2 bar stools. And yeah, where got my makeup on? And that's it. All right, so turning around over here, and then that's our valley trash. We have valley trash literally every fucking day.
Trash.
All right, so this is the living room space, guys. This is perfect for us. Yeah, I'm guessing the chairs are gonna go like over here, and then the TV, because you can see the setup is right here. Yeah, so that's how we're gonna have that set up just a little bit later. But yeah, this is honestly enough space for both of us. This apartment is honestly, it seems a lot bigger than the model that she showed us, which I'm obsessed with. Now I'm gonna take you guys outside to our balcony. My biggest thing in getting an apartment was I needed a balcony, all right? And here is our balcony. I'm gonna show them amazing. And then this is our view of the apartment. We have a lake view. We also have the dog park view, which is nice. All right, so I'm gonna take you guys to, well, first of all, I'm gonna show you guys over here. We have a Google, she said it's a Google Nest, right? I think that's what she said. So we have a Google Nest, which is amazing. We can control the temperature of this apartment through our phone. We can turn it on, turn it off whenever we're not home if we forget. So that's amazing. So let me take you guys to the room. Don't mind my brother. He's our little moving helper. So he is here in the room. Say hi, Jimmy.
Hello.
All right, so this is our room. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the rooms are carpet. However, the bathroom and the living room and the kitchen are hardwood floors. So this is our room. It is a decent size for us. We actually just ordered a king, not mattress, well yeah, mattress and bed frame. So that should be delivered today, but I'll have that set up in our next video when we're actually like moving in. This is just strictly the empty apartment tour. I want to show you guys how it looks empty. All right, so now this is our closet over here. Pretty decent size. I do like the shelving here. So this is our closet. And Shiva is exploring. She could probably give a better tour of this place than me, honestly. But yeah, so this is honestly enough space for both of us. We actually kind of like went through all of our stuff and figured out what we were going to keep and what we're not going to keep. So I actually don't have a lot of clothes, but eventually this will be filled up. All right, ready to take us to the back here? All right, so one of my biggest things when getting an apartment was I definitely wanted a room that was connected to the bathroom. So as you can see, this is our bathroom right over here with the hardwood floors. Now guys, I'm obsessed with this shelf system that they already have in the bathroom. This is honestly beautiful. Haven't seen, this is what makes it luxury. Okay, this is nice. All right, come on in. I don't know if it matters, but we have like a little towel hanger here. I think that was a cute little setup. This is our sink. I would have preferred if we had 2 sinks. I feel like they honestly could have made like more space here and added a double sink. But I feel like because they wanted to keep, I guess they wanted some more cabinetry, which is why they didn't do the sink, which is okay. But again, you come to the bathroom and I like the matte black finish here. Now look at this, we have a vanity mirror, which is amazing, guys. So you know my makeup is gonna be popping, right? So that's our vanity mirror, and it's a really big mirror. And then we have this tub. We opted in getting an apartment with a tub because we work long days, long hours, and a tub is most necessary. And then look at the marble backsplash of this bathroom, the tub. It is just absolutely beautiful. I can already see myself. I'll probably take one later tonight, so. So yeah, and then again with the matte black finish. And then we're gonna go out here to our washer and dryer. This apartment does come with a washer and dryer set. It is the stackable set, which saves a lot of space. And it is a full-size washer and dryer. So I'm assuming this one is our washer. Or is, no, this is our dryer. Yeah, and then this one is our washer. And these are also Samsung appliances. And then right over here, there's actually space for us to keep like any extra supplies, such as brooms, mops, or whatever. So yeah, this is a plus. It is a plus. And yeah, and that is it. This is the empty apartment tour, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. If you guys didn't watch my apartment hunting video, please watch it. There'll be a link up here somewhere so you guys can go back and watch it. Of course, we chose, I think this was apartment number 2, right? So this was apartment number 2 that we chose. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for my moving in vlog coming up one of these days. Oh my God, look at her. She's exhausted. She had the zoomies all day. Oh, now she want to get up. Okay. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start getting some stuff in here, start moving in, and yeah, stay tuned for my moving in vlog. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and like this video.